This problem, we're actually asked to compute the domain of a function. It says using interval notation, which has been discussed previously. If you're not familiar with it, definitely email me and I will answer any questions you have about it. But for this one, really what we want to focus on are the domain restrictions. Anytime we're given a formula and we want to find the domain, we want to look at the domain restrictions. Basically, what can we not have happen? And the two things we cannot have happen is x is in the denominator of a fraction, and the other one is negative numbers inside even root radicals. Right, so these are the bad things. Anything else is good. Right, and if we look at this function, this video will go for a lot of questions, because any question that does not break either of these rules has the same domain. We see that this one, there are no x's in the denominator. Right, so that's good. We have a denominator, but only 3 is down there. And there's no even root radicals, so we can't even have a negative in there. Since neither of these things happen, the domain is all real numbers. Once again, if you have a different looking problem, as long as you're not breaking either of these two rules, your domain is all real numbers. In interval notation, all real numbers is negative infinity to infinity. Right, when you try to type in the answer, there will be a little arrow up here that allows you to type in all that stuff. You can click on interval, it'll pop up the infinities and the parentheses and all that stuff. Right, but once again, if you don't break any of these things, it can be, we can have absolute values, we can have odd root radicals like the cube root. As long as we don't have any bad things going on, which is either of these two, we're good to go.